Are you curious why this snake can make sounds? You are curious, so am I. You are thinking that inside the tail there is a marble like a child's toy rattle. No, there are definitely no marbles like you think. Instead, there are a series of hard, horny blocks. When the snake vibrates its tail, these hard horns collide with each other, creating a characteristic hissing sound. This is one way they warn other creatures that they need to stay away. Don't come close to it curiously because of its cry. Stay away from this snake because it is extremely poisonous.